Resort living at its best in the Lake Forest community within minutes to Redstone Arsenal Gate 7. Open concept floor plan, perfect for entertaining and relaxing. Gorgeous kitchenette boasts an oversized island and stainless appliances. An abundance of 5 inches hand-scraped hardwood floors in the living areas as well as crown molding throughout. Updated lighting throughout. Outdoor living space complete with covered porch, outdoor kitchen. Extended patio with pergola and beautiful landscaping. Security system alarm throughout the house, every window and door, with pad in the master and hallway, with iPhone access and surveillance cameras outside, 2 in the back and 2 in the front.